Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale data visualization with Microsoft Power BI, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching Microsoft Power BI on your computer. Create a new report by selecting the blank report option. Connect to your data source by clicking on Get Data. Choose the appropriate connector for your data type, such as Excel or SQL Server. Follow the prompts to select your dataset and click Load. Once your data is loaded, familiarize yourself with the Power BI interface. Navigate to the Fields pane to explore available data columns. Drag and drop fields onto the report canvas to start creating visualizations. Use the Visualizations pane to select different chart types for your data. Customize each visualization by adjusting properties in the Visualizations pane. Apply filters to your visualizations by dragging fields into the Filters section. To create interactive elements, consider using slicers for easy data exploration. Explore the format options to adjust colors, labels, and fonts for better readability. Save your report by clicking File and selecting Save As. To publish your report, click on Publish in the top ribbon. Choose the destination workspace in Power BI Service for your report. Once published, navigate to Power BI Service to view your report online. Utilize the dashboard feature to pin key visualizations for quick access. Consider setting up scheduled refreshes for your data connections to keep information current. To share your report, click on the share icon and enter email addresses of recipients. Monitor usage metrics to understand how your audience interacts with your report. Continuously gather feedback to improve visualizations and user experience. Explore advanced features such as DAX formulas for deeper data analysis. Combine multiple datasets by using Power Query to create a comprehensive view. Stay updated with Power BI's new features and community resources for ongoing learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.